Whatever Android smartphone model you currently own anywhere in the world, whether it is a OnePlus, Samsung, Realme, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, Poco, Nokia, or Google's Pixel device, if you are using it. So if you have any Android phone in which you have set a PIN, password, or pattern lock, and you have forgotten it and want to unlock your phone, I request you to watch this video till the end, because we teach you such methods through which you can unlock your phone from home, also without data loss. But with this, we want to give a small disclaimer that phone unlocking is a kind of crime. I am making this video only for education purposes, only to unlock your own phone. Do not unlock someone else's phone. Only unlock a phone with permission. Therefore, I have told you this, so unlock only your own phone. Whenever your phone is locked, whether it's pin lock, password, or pattern. You often try to unlock your phone multiple times in this way, which you shouldn't. You should directly look for emergency call on your phone or activate emergency SOS. So when you click emergency call or emergency SOS at the bottom, you have to select it in this way. As soon as you select it, first you have to unlock your phone's FRP. To unlock FRP, we are providing you a secret hidden code. With the help of this highly effective code, you can easily and efficiently remove the Google FRP, which are the essential Google keys on all kinds of Android smartphones such as Samsung, Poco, OnePlus, Vivo, Nokia, Xiaomi, and many other widely used brands. Now, what you have to do is dial this code 3 times and make the call. Watch 1, 2, and 3. We have made 3 calls. It may happen that when you call, the number gets automatically deleted from here. In such a case, you might have to enter the number again and make the call. Okay. Now see, we will delete all these numbers from here. And here we will dial scar high jet Durban line and Hess. See, we entered this code and a page like this has opened before us. Now, whether this page is opening on your phone or not, if it's not opening, then let us know the company's phone along with the model number. Let us know so we can bring some solution for you. You need to select manual test carefully, because until you select manual test, your method will not be complete. Subscribe. If you subscribe, then here you will see device debugging. When you go to device debugging, here you will find sensor self-test and collaboration. See here, sensor self-test and collaboration. You have to select it in this way. Now, as soon as you select this sensor, many options will appear before you. Our phone has 3 sensors. Yours could have 2, 4, or 6. We will select them one by one. If even one sensor passes, your job is done and the phone will unlock. Now see, what to do here is that if we have 3 sensors and 2 sensors fail and 1 passes, then our work is done. You can select it again multiple times in this way. Results may change. Now proceed to back with this option. After coming back, go to the very last option, which is others. After going to this option, at the very bottom, you will see the reset option. You have to tap on this reset option and see, as soon as the pass message appears, I would like to congratulate you that now your phone will be 100% unlocked without data loss. We will go back. We are going back. Here, you will find the read write option. We will select it this way the first time, and even by mistake, do not press OK. Cancel it. The second time you tap on this, in the confirmation, if you have a pin lock or password, then you have to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Okay, if you have a pin password in this case, then you should enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you use a pattern, then input 4 zeros. Enter 4 times 0 and press OK. There is a message like wrong password here. You have to tap exactly in the middle of the screen in this specified manner, ensuring your phone is completely unlocked without any data loss. Remember, if your phone uses a pattern lock, you need to input 4 zeros. But if you have set up a PIN password, then you must enter the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Thank you. Please make sure you subscribe today.